going to be doing a lighter trick today. It's called the Twilight Forest. Yeah, not the Twilight Forest. I mixed up with Minecraft. The Twilight Zone. So this is how it looks.
Why does the Great Pyramid have air shafts that point to Orion? Is it possible they serve as a kind of
It's not working.
gateway between the Earth and Orion? And if so, might this be further proof of our extraterrestrial origins?
Uncovering luxury means taking a closer look.
So if you could see how to do it just from watching the video, leave a comment down below showing it. And if you fail, post it up and show me. But yeah, so you can end this right now, just keep rewatching that, or you can actually see how to do it. So this is how I do it. What you need like a pen or something. Usually the wick is straight up and down. Here, wait, let me get it like this. Okay, so it's usually like straight up and down, but I curved it to like a 45-degree angle-ish. And so if you watch carefully, to this side right here, watch. You can see it coming out, like watch now. When I steal the flame away. Let me steal the flame away. Oh crap. You should be able to start to see it. Yeah, I can kind of see it, but you have to move your head like this. And all you need to do is make some type of movement to the top. So pretty much what you could do is, I like to go like this and do like, my lighter's kind of getting hot right now. So I need to wait a second. But what I do is, so I light it, I take it away, and it comes. I don't know why I did that, just, yeah. But some people, they can get it to like, or they can light it, take it away. So pretty much they eat the flame. But what I do is I eat the flame, I swallow it, and I make it come to my fingertips, and I snap and send the flame back. So yeah. So pretty much all you gotta do is have the wick be bent a tiny bit. Then what you do is you can go like this, steal the flame out, steal the flame away. Or you can just go steal the flame away, and then like that. But you can also do it like this. And just send the flame back, like you ate it and then just sucked in the flame and then put it back out. So, yeah. There you guys go. See you later. Bye.